Now suppose we want to add another functionality to our app. So here when we are pressing on count, the number keeps on going up and up. What we want is that once the count reaches 10, the number should not get incremented because that is the maximum count we want. Whenever we are doing reset, it will get reset to 0. But once the count reaches 10, it should not increase beyond it. Here it is increasing. So what do we do that? So here we will introduce a concept called if. So what do we do here? We will say, so here I am in the button B1 and the on click in B1, because B1 is where we click and the numbers are incremented. So what do? We will say if number less than 10. So what does this mean when number is less than 10? Number less than 10 means whether this number is less than 10 or not. And what are we saying? If number less than 10, and we are opening a bracket, which means that if the number is less than 10, then we should increment the number. What are we saying? So let's understand it again. We saying if number is less than 10, then number is equal to number plus 1. So if number was greater than 10 or number became 10, so when number is equal to 10, what will happen to this condition, number less than 10? It will not be true. Hence, it will not execute this line number is equal to number plus 1, and hence the number will remain 10. So with this change, we should see this functionality happening. Let us run it and see what happens. So the build is happening and we have to be a little bit patient as the build happens and the APK is getting installed, and now the activity is getting launched. So now let's see what is happening when we are doing count, and at 10, whenever I am pressing count, it is not increasing more than 10 because of this if. Let me reset it. It's good. It becomes 0. Now will it start increasing it? Yes. But at 10, it has become fixed. So let's go back to the code and understand it. So what did we do? We put this condition in if. If number is less than 10, then we do it. Number is equal to number plus 1. Otherwise, we are not incrementing it. And now with this change, we have been able to implement this functionality.